Okay. Yeah, read live. Okay, yes, we are live. Awesome. Sweet. Here's the chat, the live chat, perfect. Hello everybody, welcome to the live chat again. Wait, is this cutting out? Can they hear me? Okay, yeah, sweet, they can hear me. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to the live chat where we will be doing live computer help to anybody that needs it. So just basically tell me what kind of problem or issue that you have and we'll try to work it together. So anybody that's gonna join, I would really appreciate that. So let's just try to like do something different this time. I know people want I know everybody has different issues or on their computer and they might like want to wait on how to solve it. I'm gonna try to install a few systems here. If anybody is curious, I am using Ubuntu. I don't think anybody's with me right now, but that's alright. We'll get that over. Okay. Now then. Now to anybody that's on the chat, I welcome you. This is basically going to be if you have any issues or problems, put them in the chat below and we'll try to recreate your problem so we can try to fix it. To anybody that is new to the chat, I welcome you all. I will be doing a lot of troubleshooting depending on your needs and what you need help with. So I'm going to be very attention to the chat. I only have one monitor, so I'm going to have everything here. Did wanted to, that's right, even though I'm going to be doing a lot of troubleshooting, I did wanted to install Promos on this test bench that I have here. Did I download it? I did, sweet. Wait, how much does this one have? Okay, yeah, that's enough. Okay, anybody's here? Oh, there is somebody. Okay, hello. If you have any issues or with your computer, just put in the chat below and try to fix that up. Okay, so this is going nicely. Is my mic working? I don't think my mic is working. Oh, I forgot to turn that on. Okay. Gonna have to fix that. Is the mic working? Okay, I guess they can hear me. Perfect. Okay, so let's see, chat. To anybody new watching, if you have any computer issues right now, we can try to fix it up. I'll try to recreate the program. Just put whatever. Just put your comment, and I'll read it out with you. And I'll try to recreate it and see how we can actually fix it. It might take time, but we can fix it. Then we can fix it. This is basically what I do. Okay, so I'm gonna have to fix this. Oh, that's right. I gotta enable. I forgot how to enable that. So, what was my video for this? Yes, that's the command that I needed. Perfect. Now let's just keep doing that. Added some notes here. Okay, yeah. So this is the note that I need to turn this on. Yeah, we can show it. Yep. Let's just try to fix this now. Oh no, wait. I need to use PowerShell for this. There we go. Set. Processor. VM. Name. Promox test. Expose virtualization extensions. True. Okay, perfect. So now this should work. Let's see, let's give that a few seconds. Huh? The virtual mate is not supporting nested. Oh. Hold up a second, then maybe I did something stupid. Did I turn it on this? I don't think I did. Did I? Nested virtualization. Where is that? To anybody on the chat, you have any computer issues or problem, put them on the chat below, and we'll try to go with you there to see how we can help you out. Right now, I'm just trying to brainstorm on an issue that I have right now. I'm trying to install something, but I can't quite remember where it is. I think I need to do it over again. I think I forgot how to do it. Okay, maybe I forgot, yeah. Nested virtualization. Maybe I forgot where it was. Okay. Okay, I think this is what I needed. Okay, anybody here? Okay, nested. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so I have an AMD processor here. Okay. So let's open our console for this. Yeah, we're gonna use Nano for this. So in my case, it would be AMD. Not like that. Okay, and oh, there's no file. Oh, it's meant to be read only. ABC at 1 or 1, ABC at 0 or N. I see a 1. Okay, so activating it. Enable shutdown all machines. Okay, activating the nesting feature. During nested is enabled until the host is rebooted. Oh, I need to reboot it. Alright, and I won't. Okay, that's not. Okay, maybe. Oh wait, maybe. Okay, the computer needs to. Then I'm gonna have to shut down the stream again. Well, that's alright. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna say let's go with. This is using this. So yeah. There. And now nested equals 1. Fatal. Not found. Oh, okay, there. Guess I put something wrong. Until the host is rebooted. To enable it permanently, add the following line. Now, okay, that's what I do want. Okay, I want to check anybody on the stream. Okay, there is somebody on the stream. Okay, guys, if you have any computer issues, oh, did the guy ever return stuck? Oh no, Afi, I haven't seen that person again. I had issues with the stream and it crashed out. But great to see you again. Where's my mic working? Yes, yes, it's working. What was it? Okay, didn't work. I was trying to see if I could fix this. See if I. Thank you, Alfie. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out on how to fix a Promox issue that I have. Unless if you have any issues that we can try to solve right now, you're most welcome. Okay. Okay, if I do this, I want to do this permanently. So I need to add the option. Oh, it's already there. Okay, never mind then. Excellent. Okay, I guess I can see. I got some issues, but they already reported on the GitHub. That needs to fix it. Oh, okay, okay. So it's more like more advanced issues. Gotcha. Hmm. For example, CS2 on any gun distro with any package like deb or RPM or snap will make the player models flicker black. Huh, that's an interesting glitch or issue in that case. Huh. Haven't really dealt with something like that. Not really sure what I could do there. Let's see. Oh, man. This should run. Hey, it's odd. This is still not working. Maybe if we use again the power. So I'm just trying to install Promox in this virtual machine, and I'm trying to enable nested virtualization so you can actually install virtual machines on it. I've done this before, but on Windows, on Hyper-V. I haven't done it directly on using KVM or Camel as I am doing right now. So I'm just having an issue that is not detecting the nested virtualization. I think I need to restart my current PC, but if I restart it right now, it'll shut down the stream. So I think I'm gonna do a different brainstorming for this. I could try another hypervisor. Yeah, I could try another one. That's another thing that I was thinking of now. So I gotta try this command again to see if it works. This is supposed to enable nested virtualization. processor, VPN name, wait, yeah, so the name was Promox Tennis. Oh, I see. Good luck with that. Yes, it is frustrating when you're trying to do it in a virtual machine inside a virtual machine. It's more frustrating. Hello, Rotten Humanato. Hi, I have an NVIDIA GPU and I'm trying to get a KVM virtual machine running with 3D acceleration, facing various issues. Is there any guide that you suggest? Okay, so I'm guessing you want to try to do a GPU pass-through. I haven't technically done that, but we could try to do it now. That's gonna take a little bit of time. We could try, like, let me just put this on pause and let's try that out. Let's see if we can actually help. Rotten how is it your name? Rotten Humanato. Thanks for joining the stream. I think I put something wrong. That's alright. Let's see. So, in terms of GPU pass-through, mostly for a GPU pass-through, not pass-through, it's just 3D acceleration by OpenGL. So wait, so you want to use the integrated 3D graphics from your CPU in this case, an APU? I'm a bit confused by OpenGL, because maybe this might help you, because okay, you're using KVM, so I have KVM here running. So the thing I would use for pass-through would be PCI host. Which one was it again? I forgot. Yeah, PCI host. No, it's not this one. It's okay, I think I have it here. Okay, no, here's host. You can pass through these, but okay, that's a little odd. Yes, that's weird. I can't see my GPU right now. It's supposed to be right here. Okay, I can see my internet interface, but I can't. That's really odd. Maybe let's do something different. Let's shut this computer off. And let's try another. Let's try to make a new one. Could be that I cannot. I need to be like those settings that are forced. Do ISPCI. Let's try that. Wait. Yeah, see, there it is. There's mine. Okay, so wait, now I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, so mine in this case go cancel here. So add. So mine would be this one, since it's the number 7. So it has to be this one. Just I don't see the name, which is odd. Let's wait. If I do this, it might find the right one. Yes, that's okay. Thank you, Alfie. That's really good suggestion. So if I try to run this, I think it might. Okay, no, it didn't block out my system because I've been trying to do this for a week. Then you need to configure, grab, and reboot. It's a whole process. Well, let me see. Now that I have it here, it's supposed to detect it. Now let's give this a minute. Maybe it did detect it or not. Okay, let's go here. Well, let's see if it's detected on the device manager. So it's still okay. So I don't have any drivers here, but it's detecting a PCI device. So let's actually go a little bit more advanced on this. Let's go and download the NVIDIA drivers. Now, there we go. Okay, you've been trying to do this for a week. Oh god, yeah, it's just selecting it. Yeah, that's true. Selecting it won't do anything. We gotta download. See, so right now, yeah, selecting didn't do anything, but it did detect here on the device manager there's a PCI. Can I check what it is? I don't think it would tell me anything. So right now, my best guess would be just try to install the drivers. So there should be. Is there the automatic one? If not, then I'll just. I think mine is an RTX. Okay, no, not that one. Okay, the 30 series. Yeah. Mine is the I don't remember. Yeah, 360. Okay, yeah, let's download this. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute or two. Now, doing this process is actually more difficult if you try to do it on a hypervisor. You can even try to do this remotely connected. Have I done it? Not yet. Is it possible? Hell yes. It's just a bit tricky. Like, I need to make a lot of notes. If I don't make any notes, then I'm literally lost. And it's one more question. After password, do you need to use looking glass to get smooth graphics? I don't think you need to do that. I think basically you just need to install the drivers and test it out yourself to see if it's actually working. No, I'm gonna see if my pass-through actually worked, because literally my device manager sees something in there, so so it has to be using something. So I'm just gonna wait and see if it detects the driver, and it should be able, and it should use this one right now that I have on my system. Okay, wait, I can't see the chat. Put this, that's better. What did you say? You said... yeah, definitely. It's unless if I the only way I could try to make later on a video guide. Oh, ah, shit. Okay, so it didn't detect it. Okay, that sucks. Okay, that sucks. Let's check something else. There's no failure. Okay. So wait. Look at the guy. I must see. It's like 1,000 steps. You know what? Let's actually look at an official guy. Yeah. Let's see. I'll check one. Let's see. What? GPU. Pass-through. KVM. Let's see what kind of guy I can find. Second. There's a GitHub guide. Setting a GPU with KVM on Ubuntu 4 Windows. The GitHub one? Oh my god, oh, dude, if it was that easy, I'd be freaking, I'd be like, okay, so just do 1, 2, and that's it. That would be so easy. Wait. Now the setting of GPU pass-through with KVM on Ubuntu 4. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so requirements here. Okay, then let me put that to see what I find. Search. Okay. Okay, so wait a second. That's something different. We're going to, okay, to do it like this, a pass through, we're gonna need 2 graphics card. Well, that does make sense, because if I use the current graphics card that I have now, my screen will go black, and then it's gonna use that graphics card for this virtual machine. That's right, I only have 1 graphics. I don't think I could do it unless if I connect an external one. Oh, damn it. I cannot put another GPU on my system. I only have 1 PCI slot. But I could... Okay. I have these... Okay, these are the ones that I'm using for the setup. You actually need 2 graphics cards. You can split yours to give the KB in a bit of it. Split it? Huh. I hadn't thought about that. Actually, this is more curious to me. Split it. You gave me another idea. What if... I thought I found something, but it gave me an idea. I think you need enterprise hardware for that. Not really. Not really. You don't need to have like high pricey hardware. Okay, no. This is another crate. For pass-through. Partition the GPU. Okay, wait, this seems interesting. GPU partition. Okay, I think this is what you were referring to, Alfie. To split it. I think this is what I'm looking for. GPU partition allows you to share a physical GPU with multiple. Okay, a fraction of the GPU. Oh, this is okay. People use Promise with a 490 and split it into multiple computers because it's so powerful. That is true. The 490 is a freaking beast. I still remember when the 1080 came out. That was a monster. But then RTX, then new features came out that the 1080 did not support, which I think is a little bit BS, but yeah. Now this is very interesting. So GPU partitioning. Okay, so I actually want to do this. Okay, requirement use line migration, need to have a supported CPU. Okay. What else do I need here? And your cluster hosts needs to have. Okay, yeah, mine does this. Okay, but this is a supported gas operating system. The following GPUs that support GPU partition: NVIDIA A2, A10. Wait, what? You must include the driver. Yeah, I'll be back. Keep on the screen. Okay, thank you for joining, Alfie. Okay, so this is how. Okay, let's do something from here. Now this is curious. Definitely, my name is Jeff. How's it going, Chili? Chili con carne? Oh, carne. Welcome to the stream, man. Okay, so if I want to do a split it. Okay, I have a better idea. With some chili oil. Oh, don't get me started with red hot chili peppers. Well, I'm gonna burn my mouth with that. Okay, to anybody on the stream, you just joined. If you have any issues on computer, put them in the chat and we'll try to see if we can solve them, or I'll try to recreate the issue. Right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to do a GPU pass through, but I just figured out a other person said that we can split it. A GPU so just use like a partition of it, so that's what I'm trying to do now. So I'm just reading here some guides here. I guess this is from Microsoft that I'm doing right now. Okay, working on this memory heap exhaustion issues on my Node.js web app. Decided I need some background sound. Okay. Memory heap exhaustion. So what are you trying to create? Okay. Let's see. I gotta see. Okay. Oh, there's a. Okay. Oh, there's a. Oh, on Hyper-V. It's what he says. Chili says to the MOBA Think Tataria in League of Legends runs off WebGL, so off the bat is cross-platform. Huh. That's an interesting topic. Interesting. Very interesting. So it's going to be basically in 2D form like Tataria, like you said, but the concept of the game is going to be League of Legends. Did I get that right? Okay. No, wait, this won't work for me. Partition. Hyperkin server. Maybe I can find right GPU cores. Okay, let's see what this GitHub guy can tell me. Virtual VM scripts, eCGPU, PB. A work in process project to making GPU bit parallelization on Windows Hyper-V easier. GPU allows you to partition your system. After that, you should install a GPU Accelerator remote desktop Requirements. Okay, this is mostly on Windows. Let me check. So there is a pass-through, but these are mostly Windows guide. Okay, that's gonna be a little bit confusing. Okay, to anybody that's just joined the chat, you have any computer problems or issues, ask them in the chat and we'll try to resolve them for you. Or together on the chat, see what we can make it out. Because right now, I'm getting a bit confused myself on how to make this. Like I could try to do this, but I'll need to switch to my physical Windows disk, and I do not want to crash my system because right now I'm running the stream. If I do that, it's game over for me. What's there? I'm currently pen testing a bytecoding platform. I used to run a few virtual machines on VMware Workstation, but it's been broken on running Linux distro for a while. Trying to switch to KVM. Oh, VMware Workstation. Oh, I love VMware Workstation, but it's like it has its pros and cons. KVM, it's actually faster. Currently, a pen testing bytecoding platform. So, what are you trying to run on those virtual VMs? Like, you said that it's been broken. What's broken on the distros? Like the installation for the distros, or something different? And a Windows Home host VMware is good. Yes, definitely. I think I have here the. I just need to download it again. I'll download it. Let's see. Here, I have here. I did make some videos on how to install that. Okay, I'm looking for it. Yeah, here. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay, I want to sign in. Don't give me this error. Okay. I have here. No, it's not here that I wanted to go. Let's do this again. Huh? There's a GPU pass-through script that basically pre-installs it for most systems. I forgot what it's called. I'll look it up for you. Oh really? That would be sweet. Ah, damn it! I closed the wrong one. Ah, god damn it. Okay, wait. There we go. This is what I wanted to go to. So, you could try to. Okay, I want to download products. No, not products. My downloads. Here, there's a section for free software downloads. Now, where is it? VMware Workstation Pro. I can't believe they put this free. Okay, here we go for Linux. I haven't tried this version. It couldn't be that bad. Yes, I agreed. Okay, yes, the terms. There we go. Download that. Okay, perfect. Put it here. Okay, there it is. Where did I put them? Oh yeah, downloads. CD downloads. Okay, sudo checkmark. Okay, so sudo think apt install. Was it like this? No? Okay, then like this. Okay, there we go. There it's running. Maybe if I use this one, it will be more easier to install what I want to do. Okay, successful, it says. Ah, that's right, modules. Greetings total. How to extend the life of Windows 10 Pro by another 6 years? From what I've seen online, you usually need to try to change the version to Windows 10 LTST if I'm not mistaken. So basically you would need to do like an upgrade of Windows. Like if I'm not mistaken, it would be here Windows 10 LTST. So you would basically need to download the version LTSC, and you don't necessarily need to delete your Windows and start from scratch. You basically, what you need to do is just like download it, and once you download it, open the ISO, mount it, and from there you can see it should do a pop-up to upgrade it. But it really doesn't do any difference. It's just gonna change it from, if you have Windows Home or Pro, it's gonna change it to Windows Enterprise LTSC Edition. Ah, gotcha. What type of games are you playing? Okay, this is... Okay, maybe that's not gonna work. What else? What else? What else? That's right. So, to do. Okay, so we'll give it a try. If not, then just come back to the stream and I'll just do it. It's just so you can see the process, how it is. And I want to, well, yeah, so basically you won't be deleting the current Windows. You'll just basically be doing like an upgrade. And that's basically it. You'll be changing from one edition to another edition. Well, I will be streaming these next coming days. If you do come back to the chat, just comment that down if you want to see me do it. I could try to do it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have some issues and problems, but that's the whole point of this stream. If you have any issues or problems, we're gonna try to collaborate everything until we get it up and running. Right now, to anybody that's watching right now, we're trying to do a GPU pass-through, but another person in the stream mentioned that we can split a GPU and try to use it for the virtual machine. Yeah, anytime. Thanks for entering the stream. Stay here. I might stream again in the morning or in the afternoon, between those 2 hours. Okay, so now then, pass through. Let's see, there has to be something different that I could do. Oh yeah, that's right. I was using this virtual machine here. Is my am I working? Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, Taylor. I might stream again in morning, afternoon, or in the midday. Really depends on how busy I am. But I'm gonna be mostly free and just be focused on this. Yes, that's true, man. They stopped in October. No more support. And I thank you for entering the stream. You have a good night now, man. Take care. Okay, how to pass through Hyper-B. I really want to try to do this, but... Okay. What should I do? I could try to restart my computer and launch to Windows, but... It's gonna close my stream, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna have to force myself and try to do it in KVM. Okay. KVM. Okay, I have an idea. Let's connect. Okay, we have a pen drive connected. That pen drive has multiple ISOs. So I am gonna shut down this Windows here. I'm gonna shut it off. Shut this one off. Open it again with the KVM. Let's just delete it. Everything. I don't need this right now. Now let's actually go and copy. Where's my okay, yeah, so this file, this is for Hyper-B. this file, so I'm gonna have to leave that there for another export that I might have. Okay, yeah, so let's open our Dolphin file explorer. We don't need that. Let's have Bentoy, we have Promox. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna copy that. I'm gonna put that into my desktop here and paste that there. Let's just wait for a few minutes for that to load and complete. Oh my god. Okay, perfect. This is an old version, but that's alright. It should be enough for what I want to try to do. Forward, browse, desktop, reload that. There we go. Choose. Not detected, that's okay. Linux, genetic, unknown. We're gonna give you 15 RAM, and we're gonna give you 7 cores, so it should be enough. Memory, F90. Let's do 60 for this experiment. Promox. Yeah, customize network. Yeah, I'll leave it in the net. Let's see. Now let's continue. Wow, then. Yeah, we'll use BIOS. We don't need that. That can stay the same. Stay the same. Let's do SATA. I want something fast. Yeah, that can stay the same. Okay, so okay, let's begin the installation for this. Graphical. Okay. Okay, sweet. Yep, that's what we're gonna use. Wait, why are there two of this? No matter. Max. Yeah, leave it there. Put in a password for this. Email. No email. Okay. Yeah, that will work. Next. Yep, just look like that. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Promox is installed. Let's see. What IP? Okay. One, 122, 127. Oh, 217. Okay. There we go. Okay, this is an updated version. I gotta update this. I hate this. Okay, no, repositories. Add, yep. No subscription, add that. Refresh. Wait, okay. Yeah, we don't need the enterprise. We don't have it. Okay, let's reboot. No, I'm really interested in the GPU partition. Okay, GPU partition, GPU partition. Let's see, anybody on the stream? Okay. Okay, let's reload it. Sweet. Refresh that again. Okay, everything's updated. Now let's read these. Support hardware setup. For optimal performance on production workloads, recommend using the appropriate enterprise-grade hardware. All GPU on NVIDIA is listed. So first I gotta see if it's supported. Okay, that sucks. Whoa. Linux with KVM. Oh, we aim into a vSphere. Sweet. Virtual GPU and pass-through GPU. Okay, first let's see here. Okay, I'm confused. Okay, we go back. Linux with KVM, okay. Compatibility requirements, NVIDIA, okay. Okay, for example, if BGP manager from release 19.3 issues with guest ref release, the combination does not support Windows Server. Okay, gotcha. Supported NVIDIA GPU. GPU is based on NVIDIA Logit. Damn, I knew somebody that had a Quadro. Nested visualization is not supported by NVIDIA Virtual GPU. NVIDIA for compute not supported on Linux with KVM. That's not okay. This is what I was talking about. These expensive GPUs are needed for virtual GPU. Oh yes, I do see that, Rotten. I'm seeing very expensive ones that are supposed to be the ones that see us work. But I'm not 100% sure because I seen some of these in previous jobs that I work, a Quadro, but they're not really like gaming performance GPUs. They're basically just for high quality monitors. You can't handle games unless if you want to do it for something else. Then yeah, go ahead. But I'm not seeing like the 360, 3070. Huh? Mike says, "What does? Do you know Windows 11 install in drivers too?" I'm sorry, Mike. What are you referring to? As in how to install Windows 11 or specific drivers? What do you mean? But still, Rodden, there has to be somebody else that has done it. I just gotta keep searching. Like, it cannot be with just the expensive GPUs, because that really is BS, man. There has to be something else here. Description, workaround, provide with 500 megabytes buffer. Okay, wait, I did see something about. Okay, that's for Linux KVM. That's what I want. Install the release. A single between confesses no. Okay, now I want to take a break from that. Now, what does it say in Red Hat Enterprise? Maybe there's something different here. It's about the same. Okay. Oh, you want to know how to install Windows 11? is that what you're asking for, Mike? How to install Windows 11? Or how to make or get drivers for Windows 11? Put this side by side so I don't miss any chat. Okay. Wait, where was it? Oh, okay. Okay, do you want me to install it on KVM? As in install it on KVM or on Promox? Okay, wait, is my mic working? Oh no, wait, he did hear me, yeah, okay, maybe it's just a delay. Okay. But you know what, let's just do like a simple demonstration. Let's do KVM first, and then I'll just continue with the GPU, because this is taking much more time than what I thought. Wait, what? Mike says virtual GPU. Okay, you want to know how to install Windows 11 with a virtual GPU? Because if you're asking for that, then I still don't know how to do that yet. I thought I had the idea, but I'm still having issues. As you can see, I'm just researching. But if you want to know how to just install it, basically Windows 11 on a virtual machine or a hypervisor, I could do that right now. You know what, maybe if I'm gonna try to use the AI. Maybe it'll give me some random tips. Answer. Okay, wait. Windows Mike says, download Windows 11 Web. Is Microsoft ISO, huh? Okay, well I can show you where to download Windows 11 if that's what you're looking for. Windows 11. Like from here directly. It says download it from here. Like, okay, yeah, this is Windows 11 Multi Edition. Confirm it. Choose your region or language of it. (64-bit) download. That's literally what we want. This is the 25H2 edition. Okay, sweet. We're just gonna save that. It'll take, okay, so it'll take 4 minutes. So let's wait for those 4 minutes. Okay, anybody on the chat new in the chat? Okay, we do have new people in the chat. Okay, for anybody that's new here now, I do thank you guys for joining the stream. Now, if you have any computer issues or problem, leave down the chat below, and we'll try to help. Well, I'll try to help you and see if we can solve it. If it's too difficult, well, basically we're doing like brainstorming right now. I'm trying to, like right now the brainstorming, we're still stuck in trying to do a GPU pass-through for virtual machines in KVM. And right now I think Mice has asked for is on how to install Windows or download it, from what I understand from the message. So just for the habit, I'm just gonna download it. I'm downloading right here right now. And then I'll just install it on the Promise that I just ran on the KVM, and I'll also just install it here on the KVM here as well. Sorry. So yeah, let's give that a few minutes, I guess. Yeah, just one more minute. Okay, so there we have it. Um, there it's downloaded. Let's just do a simple install. So let's just go here and create a new virtual machine. Locate your ISO, in this case, forward. Now we're just gonna browse for it. I guess I have it in the, no way, it's not in the desktop, it's in the download section. So refresh this, here it is. Choose that, choose volume. It detected it, super. Yeah, give it 5 gigs, why not? Give it a little bit more forward. Nah, give it 100. I'm not really gonna use it. Just want to install it and test it out. I did remember on Windows 11 that Microsoft tried to remove to create a local account. Let's see if that's still valid with that new ISO that I just download. Press any key to boot. There we go. Okay, so this is EFI right now. So I think we can switch back to the other installer. Yeah, install everything. Yeah, I prefer the old one. It's better. Install. I don't have one. Oh, wait. To make this better, where's the network, the neck? Disable this. I don't want to use it. Agree to that. I don't have a product key. Let's go with Pro. Agreed. Yep, that's the one. Next. Okay, perfect, yeah. Okay, that's gonna take a little bit. Oh, I think I just remembered. I think I did it the slowest way. Oh yeah, with a SATA drive. Okay. That's alright, that's still pretty fast. Okay, looks like we're almost done here. Okay, I think that's. Is it done? Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Okay, there we have it. It's yes. Yes. I don't want a second keyboard. Oh, you're kidding me. It doesn't want to let me skip this. That is so odd. Now it's forcing me to use it. That's very weird. Let's see, does this work? Shift 10? Hey, it still works. Okay. How was it that I could skip this? Man, I gotta think for a minute. What was it? What was the command? What was the command? Okay, yeah, that was it. O O E E backslash bypass NRO. Enter. Okay, so that should skip me. Okay, that should skip it. Okay. If there's anybody new on the chat, if you have any computer issues or problems, just put that on the chat below. Comment it there, and we'll try to see if we can fix it, or find out maybe alternative solution. Okay, so I'm not sure. I'm guessing this is what Mike wanted to see. So, see, there it is. I don't have internet. Like, come on, man. I don't have internet. How else am I supposed to get this work? Like, why are you obligated to do this, Microsoft? Like, come on. Don't like it that you're asking for this kind of crap. Okay, if anybody's curious, the command for that was this one. I'll put it in the chat. That basically will see us restart the Windows and will enable the option to continue the setup with a local account, because honestly I do not like to use email accounts. It's too much crap in it. I'm pretty sure this is gonna have a lot of bloatware stuff that I don't want. I don't want OneDrive, I don't want anything like that. Okay, I actually want this to finish, and we'll continue back with the GPU pass-through guide that we were reading. So there we go. Okay, there we have it. Well, Mike, there you have it. There's Windows 11 installed. That's what you wanted to see. And actually now let's enable the Wi-Fi. Active. Let's start it up again. So this is a UEFI Windows. What do you mean update? That's odd. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Now it has internet, we have service. Sweet. We can skip this. Yeah, just continue there. Should be able to open YouTube. Nice. That's great. But now I don't need this anymore. First off. Now back to the other part. No, not that. Okay, so hardware setup, it took me to here. Installing NVIDIA GPU software graphics driver on Linux. Okay, wait. This is, I think this is all I need. Yeah, graphics are in a run file. I can't see anything on this. Okay, so if dynamic kernel module support DKMS is enabled. Ensure that the DKMS package is installed. Copy the GPU software. Attended to the driver. Exit the X server. Terminate all OpenGL applications on Red Hat. Exit the X server battery. Okay, this is. Oh gosh, this is a little bit more difficult. Maybe I need some help. Additional help. You know what? Let's try the AI. Let's see. Maybe it can help me with that. Let's try the AI. No. Let's see. Okay. I have KVM installed on my Ubuntu system. Pass through. On a virtual machine. I have KVM installed on my Ubuntu. I'm trying to do a GPU patch on a virtual machine, but I was told that I could split the GPU and use only a portion of it. My GPU is a NVIDIA 3060. What alternatives can you give or provide to achieve to make this work? Maybe that could give us an idea. Let's see what the AI says. NVIDIA does support virtual GPU technology, but it is locked to enterprise GPU, only Quadro A series. Shoot. So like Rotten said, split. What can you do instead? Here's a realistic alternative depending on your needs. Use full GPU what you're already trying. That's what I don't want to do. Use the host iGPU for Linux pass-through. If your CPU has an integrated GPU, well, no, my CPU doesn't have that. Use virtual GPU. If you only need GPU acceleration for desktop graphics, not gaming, Mayland. Okay. Damn, it's just like Rotten said. So yeah, these expensive GPUs are needed. God dang it, that's the troublesome. Not even the AI can tell me. Okay. Is there no other alternative? and it works with many consumers, but not with NVIDIA. The only fully open source project with GPU technology is AMD SRIOV mediated GPU intelligent. It works on some AMD cards. I don't have an AMD card. Okay. So the alternative option would be okay, that sucks. No, this won't work for me. Someone mentioned the stream looking glass.
No, no, at the.
my stream says froze or something? Okay, no, never mind. Oh no, it's working, alright. Okay, let's see, anybody on the chat? Okay. Hey guys, I think we're just seeing that information. I do want to look at Looking Glass. Okay, to anybody new joining the stream, if you have any computer issues or problems you want to try to see if we can fix it out, just leave a comment on the chat. Let's see what else we can do here. Okay, how long has this been running for? 2 hours? Oh, that's alright. Okay, where is the download? The source. Okay. Let's open the console. Where did this download? Downloads. Yeah, open it from here. Extract here and delete archive. Looking Glass. So how do I run this? Documentation. User must either be physical, must have either a physical monitor attachment or a cheap dummy plug. Most of it will disable the GPU output if there is nothing attached to it, the device will not be able to function. Oh, I could just clone it? Oh, that's actually much faster. Hold on. I can see her again. I don't think this is gonna work anymore. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits. Take a break and maybe start later on, if not tomorrow. I do appreciate everybody's just joining the stream, giving me your ideas or problems for this. I might turn this into something more consistent. So yeah, guys, I do thank everybody for watching and who is still here watching us right now. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, leave your comments, leave your chats. This is going to be this is the main purpose of this channel. Guides, how to, and more stuff. As always, guys, I thank you all for watching the stream, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one now.